Lesson 13. The past perfect simple. English uses the past perfect simple with the past simple to talk about two or more events that happened at different times in the past. When talking about two events that happened at different times in the past simple describes the event that is closest to the time of speaking. The past perfect describes an event further back in the past. We have this example. The train had left before we arrived at the station. We have two actions, had left and arrived. The action had left happened earlier, and the action we arrived happened later. So, we use the past perfect simple to show the chronological order by making the earlier action. Example number 2. Pablo had gone to work when I knocked on his door. So, action number 1, action number 2. Pablo had gone to work happened earlier, but I knocked on his door happened later. How to form the past perfect simple? The first place takes the subject. Then we have had. It doesn't change with the subject. So if you have he, she, it stays the same, had. Then we have past participle. That is the third form of the verb. Then goes the rest of the sentence. Look at these examples. He had cooked dinner before Sally got back from work. She had already read the play by the time she went to see it. The traffic was bad because a car had broken down on the road. When we arrived at the stadium, the game had already started. So let's sum up. The past perfect shows that one past event happened before another past event. So it clarifies the chronological order by making the earlier action. Let's discuss the difference between the present perfect and past perfect. Present perfect simple is used to talk about an action that took place in the recent past and is still relevant to the present moment. For instance, I am so excited. I have just passed my driving test. I feel excited right now at this very moment. But look at the past perfect simple. It is used to talk about an action that took place before another moment in the past. In the past, perhaps yesterday, I was so excited. I had just passed my driving test. Right now, perhaps I am not so excited, but I was yesterday. Let's have some practice. We have sentences and we should fill in the gaps using the words in the panel. I have this panel, here it is. So, George was relieved because he had found his passport. Number 1. The play by the time we arrived at the theater. So, from this list, what do you need? Had started. Number 2. Ben liked Sal even though he her only a few times. Had met her. Number 3. I Indian food before, so I didn't know what to expect. I hadn't eaten. Number 4. Justin called his sister, but she to bed. Had gone to bed. Number 5. Edith, her niece, for years, so was delighted when she visited. Hadn't seen. Number 6. Amber felt so happy that she had passed her exam. Number 7. My uncle was upset because I hadn't called him recently. Number 8. Christine worked late because her project yet hadn't finished. Number 9. There were a lot of delays because a bus had broken down. Number 10. When we arrived at the station, we discovered the train had left. (11) Amy couldn't take her flight because she had forgotten her passport. (12) My son looked bored because he inside the house all day. He had been inside the house all day. (13) The house looked shabby because we it in years hadn't painted. And last one, 14. Jane was excited about going to Rome. She hadn't been to Italy before. Been to Italy before. Now, let's match the pictures to the correct sentences. Yasmin was exhausted because she had just run a marathon. What about this sentence? I had just sat down with my drink when it started to rain. Picture number 2. Janine felt really cold because she'd been outside too long. Picture number 3. Tony had called for a taxi an hour earlier, but it still hadn't arrived. Number 4. And last one. Pete had almost finished tiling the wall by the time I got home. Picture number 1. So, fill in the gaps by putting the verbs in the past simple or past perfect simple. It is done. I tried to buy some onions, but the store had run out. Craig late to work because the train. So Craig arrived late to work because he had missed the train. So first he had missed the train, then he arrived late to work. Marie, a bike for years, so it difficult. Marie hadn't ridden a bike for years, so she found it difficult. Number 3. Dana delighted that she passed her driving test at last. Dana was delighted that she had passed her driving test at last. Number 4. James breakfast with Caitlin when Caitlin get up. So James first had prepared breakfast when Caitlin got up. Number 5. San Francisco once before when she 7. She had visited San Francisco once before when she was 7. Number 6. I not meet Carl before, but we have lots in common. I hadn't met Carl before, but we had lots in common. 7. We see the play once before, but we enjoy it anyway. We had seen the play once before, but we enjoyed it anyway. This is it for today. Thank you for being with me, and I will see you next time. Bye!